Hello everyone. Today I want to show you a preview of the feature we are working on. It enables AI to generate and execute Python code for advanced analysis on top of your data coming from a semantic model. In my example here, I have a semantic model that describes revenue, and I asked AI to plot me revenue monthly here. So what it did, it generated this SQL query, executed it against Cube, and retrieved the data back, which we can plot now. So where we're going with this advanced analysis based on Python is that AI now can take that result and apply additional statistics or some prediction or forecasting with Python on top of the data, provide that result back to user. Let me show you how. Forecast next 3 months with ARIMA. And I can ask AI to do exactly what I want. In that case, I'm instructing it to run a forecasting model using ARIMA for the next 3 months. What AI is doing in that case, it takes the SQL that it knows how to retrieve the data. It gets that SQL, but also alongside that SQL, it generates a Python code that is going to be executed in a sandbox environment, and then we'll take the result of that Python code and just display that back with a standard Cube features like a Vega spec, for example. So as we can see here, it did that forecasting model with the Python here and plotted it back, and it's an interactive Vega Lite spec, so it's the same chart based on the Vega Lite libraries that we use for all the data. So we can hover over here and see that's type forecast, that's type historical. We can see the whole blended data here that came from this analysis. So we also can look into the SQL that was generated to retrieve the data first. So that's the same SQL as we had before. And then also here we can look at the Python code that was generated to provide that analysis, so we can fully inspect that. This feature is currently in preview and can be enabled for select customers. Please reach out to our support team if you'd like it enabled for your account.